this is going to be a bit tricky because of all these splits in this bark. I don't know which way this is going to go. See that? But I have to drop it here. Well, I'll drop it low. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, this is a very dangerous cut. Incredibly dangerous, because that's going to barber chair. Barber chair means what happens is your trunk, right? So if this is your trunk, it splits like this. And it'll snap up, take your head off. That's a dangerous cut. How do I proceed? How? Well, I do or I don't. Oh boy. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Okay, if you come across a tree like this in the bush, if you don't have the skills to take it down, don't take it down. Like this one was scary, and I didn't have a proper rope, but I used this one. I knew it wouldn't break, but this can barber chair all over the place. Cause a major problem. Look at this. Like, look at this up here. Look. Like, my God. Scary drop, man. Look. Yep. Anyway, all in the name of firewood, eh? Okay, I'm gonna finish this up.